We got an equilateral triangle ABC with all the three sides measuring 4 centimeter. And somehow we just draw a semicircle exactly inside the equilateral triangle. The question that we want to answer is find the area of the semicircle inside this equilateral triangle. Since triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal. Not only that, all the three angles are equal, and thus each angle must be 1/3 of 180 degree. That is, each angle must be equal to 60 degree. Okay, we know angle C measures 60 degree. What else we know? We know that the semicircle just touches BC at the point, let's say, M. And further, we want to find the area of semicircle. It's sufficient to find the radius of the semicircle because area equal to half pi r square, where r denotes the radius of semicircle. If O denotes the center of the circle, then OM is definitely radius of the circle, and we know that a line that just touches a circle is actually tangent to the circle, and further, tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Or angle OMB is a right angle. Okay, that much we know. Further, by symmetry, O must be the middle point of AC, so AO and OC must be equal and they must measure half of 4, that is 2 centimeter each. Once again, AO measures 2 centimeter and OC also measures 2 centimeter. Okay, we know angle C equal to 60 degree and OC measures 2 centimeter and OM is perpendicular to MB. Do we know something more? So far, no. Let N be a point on the line segment BC such that CN measures 2 centimeter. Or N is middle point of BC. And then you simply join ON. Now just look at triangle OCN. OC measures 2 centimeter, NC measures 2 centimeter by our choice of N, and angle C equal to 60 degree. Now if those two sides are equal, if OC equal to NC, then these two angles got to be equal. Let those be equal to x. Then x plus 60 degree equal to 180 degree, or 2 number of x equal to 120 degree, or x equal to half of 120 degree or 60 degree. Hey, we find that all the three angles in smaller triangle are equal, or smaller triangle OCN is an equilateral triangle. And thus it follows that ON measures 2 centimeter. Okay, somehow we want to find OM, or the radius of the circle. Now you see that we can apply Pythagoras theorem, and not only that, if we look at triangle OMN and OMC, those two are congruent, and so NM equal to MC, and so NM equal to MC equal to 1 centimeter. Half of 2 is 1. Now it is a matter of just applying Pythagoras theorem to triangle OMC in right angle triangle OMC. By Pythagoras theorem, OM square plus MC square equal to OC square. OC turns out to be hypotenuse, OM and MC turns out to be perpendicular and base. OM we want to find out, that's the radius of the circle. MC it turns out to be 1 centimeter, 1 square. OC it turns out to be 2 centimeters, so 2 square. And thus OM square equal to 4 minus 1, or OM equal to square root of 3 centimeter. Lastly, area of semicircle equal to half of pi r square, and thus half of pi we copy as it is. Instead of r we find it OM equal to root 3, so root 3 square, and that's equal to pi 3 by 2. Or area of semicircle equal to 3 pi by 2 square centimeter or centimeter square.